thaini ma muthenya. I think it was around that thika atha mugwanja. I cannot confirm to ndagitari agutwikite tene tuthie thibitari. So we lost her. Na lose a very brave. Andu aria marari hakuhi na Betty the last few days she was still a strong woman. Na akomete ICU ndiraugire Betty ni murwaru. Na andu ingi matire merete cia Betty arari murwaru. So she was very strong. Very strong. Na ni ne gwandikite mitandao-ini ati hara turamenyire Betty ni murwaru. Amwe aria me haha ari Gina na the rest. We did our best. We did our best. Kuri mari nake riri ari arathiaga guthondekerwo kuria Kiambu. Can't remember the name of the hospital. RFH. Ashiro GP na Jane Muthoni na that team. Na maratindĩkanire nake. Oginya riri eheirwo I think on Thursday. Akirehwo AR aria Kiambu Road. Atugithie tugitinda ho. Tugietha thakame. Magigikwo test ciothe tugi confirm akina complications ya bataraga kurigitwa na ihenya. But riria hakinyire ne ma confirm ena leukemia, cancer ya thakame, ni marabataraga ekwo chemo na ihenya. But unfortunately AR matiraga na services yake ya chemo. So we had to transfer her athie kuria Kenyatta, andu mamitaga private unit, no wetagwo prime care. So ni mamitwire a better unit. But those, I think it's 4 days. 2 days in AR and 2 days in Kenyatta. Na akihuruka umuthi. Na tugukite ha tonu tugwetagirira. Ukwenda nyite kana ni ukunyitira. Nengwaria nginya na gikamba. We were very optimistic. Ati bayo ne gwekate kuhona ono uri aratuonagia ona aramaririe na uri muico haria AR ndamuria Betty utapona haraka ajirie nitapona haraka. So she has gone a strong woman.